everyone, my name is Sanne. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I meal prep for the week. I feel this is not your average type of meal prep video. I am a variety girl. I love different types of meals. I don't love it so much when I have full meals in my fridge. I don't know, it just doesn't really feel very fresh. So the way I approach meal prepping is more of a big ingredient prep. So on Sunday I make tons of ingredients and I make some kind of salads ready, and then throughout the week I can cook up and whip up some recipes that are done under 5 or under 10 minutes. So today I will share with you how I do a 4-day meal prep from breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also, there is a PDF with a full guide. So if you want to find all the recipes, if you want a full grocery breakdown and all like nutrition tips, I have this available on Soulsync Body, which will be available for all members. You can find tons of other recipes and also my workout. So I will link that below as well. Let's hop right into it. Okay, here we got some of our ingredients. Some frozen berries, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, some almond milk, and then some fresh veggies like zucchini, and then cucumbers, tomatoes, greens. Protein, we do chicken, ground beef, and salmon. And then here are more greens. So these are kind of the things that we need. We'll probably have a couple of ingredients left over that we can easily reuse into some other things. But yeah, this is what we're gonna work with, and we're gonna whip up some really delicious meals from. Starting off with the breakfast, we will have 2 sweet breakfast and 2 savory breakfast. I kind of love the variety here because sometimes your girl likes sweet and sometimes your girl likes savory in the morning. One of my favorite sweet breakfast to meal prep is a chia seed pudding. It is such a great way to get in protein and loads of healthy fiber, amazing for digestion. You can make so many different variations on the flavors. I'm starting with the base. We're gonna keep it super simple with some plant-based milk. I'm using almond, vanilla protein powder, and then I add 2 dates to naturally sweeten it, and it kind of gives a fun little twist to the chia seed pudding. I add some cinnamon, salt, and blend it all up smooth. Then I add the chia seeds to the jar and add the mixture to it. You can totally make more of these if you prefer sweet over savory in the morning, because these last about 4 to 5 days in the fridge. I also add some frozen red fruits to a jar. The reason I use frozen is because once they melt in the fridge, it becomes nice and soft and juicy, and it just makes such a great top for yogurts or chia seed puddings in this case. When I create it later, I will add granola to it, but for now, it goes in the fridge overnight. A little tip is to stir it through after a couple of hours, and you might need to add a little splash of liquid if needed. Then we get started on the main prep, veggies and protein. Meal prepping these ingredients is my favorite because it's just cutting it all in once, and you only have 1 time of cleaning that will save you so much time throughout the week. I get started on the sweet potatoes and chicken, and I use very simple seasoning like olive oil, salt and pepper because we will add the flavor later to the chicken for the chicken salad. I love using a piece of parchment paper underneath so it just stays nice and clean, and again, less cleaning is less effort. Then for our next, we're gonna cut up some zucchini and salmon, and I pair these 2 on the sheet. The reason I have the chicken and sweet potato together and the salmon and the zucchini is because the chicken and the sweet potato have to cook a little longer, so that's why I split them up like this. For savory breakfast, I'm prepping easy egg muffins that come together in just a few minutes. I start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl, add cottage cheese for protein, a little Dijon mustard for flavor, and season with salt and pepper. I whisk everything together until it's smooth. You can just do this with a fork. And make sure to lightly oil or butter your ramekin or glass container, otherwise the egg mixture tends to stick. Pop them in the oven for about 20 to 18 minutes. I love serving them with greens, avocado, or your favorite sauce in the morning. They're perfect for meal prepping, and you can even freeze a bigger batch if you want. So while everything is baking in the oven, we want to make sure we're using all of our time efficiently during the meal prep time. I love using ground beef. I think it's such a versatile protein. It contains a lot of amino acids that your body really needs and is high in iron. And besides all the benefits, it also takes only a couple of minutes to make in the pan, and it stores really well in the fridge. I also love using some garlic and then spices like cumin, paprika, and chili to give it some flavor. We're going a little bit more with a Mexican type of flavoring. Sometimes I go more Asian, but for today's meal prep and for the week, we're going Mexican. And here you go. Within a couple minutes, I have a nice protein ready for the week. So now the ground beef is done, we're getting started on chopping up the veggies that we're using in our salads. Start chopping your red onion. We will be using the red onion in this recipe as well in our pineapple salsa later. Chop up the celery and some green onions. Once all the veggies and protein are done in the oven, it is time to make a classic, a chicken salad. I actually started eating chicken salad after moving to the United States, and I've loved it ever since. I think it's just such a versatile dish, and there's so many ways to enjoy it. You can turn it into wraps, salads, or sandwiches, so you never get bored, because this meal plan is for someone who likes variety in their diet. Make sure to cool down the chicken before starting to shred it. I just use 2 forks and I just shred it until it has a stringy texture. I know that some people also use a food processor, which is a great way to do it. I prefer to have less dishes. I added to a bowl along with the veggies like celery, red onion, cranberries, and some mayonnaise. If you want a lighter fat option, Greek yogurt works too, but I personally love the rich flavor that mayo brings. I add a little dash of Dijon mustard for a depth of flavor and season it with a generous amount of salt and pepper. This is important to bring out the flavor. Once everything is mixed together, add some green onions and I transfer it to a glass container and pop it in the fridge. It keeps well for up to 4 days, which is a great meal prep for the rest of the week. The final prep is the pineapple salsa. I like this recipe for different reasons. It is so versatile and makes such a good topping on different foods like bowls and tacos. You honestly can get creative with whatever fruits and veggies you have, for example, mango salsa, and you just cut up all the veggies into small pieces and then add some olive oil, salt, and pepper and squeeze a generous amount of lime juice that really will bring out all the flavor. As you can see, I keep all the seasonings pretty simple, so it's easy to make with ingredients you most likely have already at home. So now that's done, let me show you what the menu looks like for each day this week. Okay, I got the ingredient prep ready here. For protein, we have ground beef, chicken salad. It is basically my favorite thing currently, especially for spring and summer. It's so good. We have salmon, some zucchini, sweet potato, cheesy pudding, and then this is pineapple salsa, which is really delicious. Put it on tacos, on like different types of bowls, and it just really honestly screams like summer vibes to me. I'm going to store this all and I will show you what kind of dishes and plating I create with this, with the ingredients in there. And now all my meals this week will be under 10 minutes.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Added up plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, you can find the full meal prep down below with all the insights on the recipes, some nutrition tips also from our dietitian. I hope you'll enjoy all the meals at home. Don't forget, if you're recreating, to share them on Instagram. I always love like reposting them and just seeing all the recreations. And I will see you guys very soon.